We are going to unbox Blue Thunder in the Mix 8 of the Monster Jam series in the Spin Master on the back of the truck. He is in the series of Forces of Nature, and so the trucks on the back are Grave Digger, Son of a Digger, El Toro Loco, W, which is Whiplash, Radical Rescue, Cyclops, Sparkle Smash, and the training truck of Dragon. Let me get it up close for you. We are going to unbox the Blue Thunder, which was in Mix 9, the last mix of 2019. And I saw something a little bit different on this Blue Thunder, so I had to get it because I liked it. And so here we go. He is in the Forces of Nature Blue Thunder. The trucks in this series in Mix 9 were Grave Digger. There we go. Then we have Son of a Digger, El Toro Loco, W, which was Whiplash, Radical Rescue, Cyclops, and then Sparkle Smash, and then the training truck of Dragon. So let's go ahead and unbox this Blue Thunder. Comes with a yellow figure, and I'll just leave the poster that was included inside. Now here we go, a little bit of a different color for the wheel, lighter blue color for the wheels, and then there was something on the wheels there, maybe a piece of glue or something. But anyways, let's bring this up a little bit closer. And so here we go with just a round shot of the Blue Thunder, and oh, look at that. It's a new clip on the front of Blue Thunder in Mix 9. It has MonsterJam.com on the front of it, which was very cool to see that they did a new body design, a new die-cast body, I should say, for Blue Thunder, and they put MonsterJam.com on it. Now in Mix 1 of the Double Down Showdown doubles was this Blue Thunder, which I had. And so you can see now the difference of the two here in the front. Pretty much everything else stays the same, but I thought that was pretty cool that they added that on there. Turning around to the other side of Blue Thunder. Looking sharp. And then on the back, feel the energy. So that ends this little review of the two differences of the two trucks on here on Blue Thunder. I guess that they could have added MonsterJam.com down below right here, that there's enough room, so I guess that it's not really a different die-cast body. They just added that MonsterJam.com on the front. So there we go, we have that now. So thank you for tuning in. Hopefully you enjoyed this short review.